Haven't been recording this whole time. Idiot plays. Start again. Let's try again. Let's try those 3 minutes. One more time. We're going to be doing blueprint interfaces. I have no idea what I'm doing. Pass this parameter by reference. No. Did that earlier today. We'll do the score first, I guess. Nothing in projectile. It's in ghost, I'm guessing. BM ghost, AR BM ghost, BB BM ghost, BP ghost spawner, BT BM ghost, BP BM ghost. There it is. Set spawner, death lesion. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, level ghost spawner, current ghost. That's fine. Here we go. No, that's an event dispatcher. We don't need that. What we do need is no score interface score. Error. Blueprint itself is not a BI score C, therefore target must have a connection. What? Message? Error. Oh, a Cheetah Games, welcome back. I haven't seen you in here in weeks. You need a target to call it on. That's good. But I'm back to the same problem I had before. You need an actor you're setting the score on. Level blueprint. Is that okay? Is that okay for you? Well, it should be an item from what I've seen. Oh god. I'm trying to reverse cast a level blueprint. Cast a level blueprint editor overview. No. I'm trying to get my scoring working again. Because I had it on the HUD. And I didn't like that. Not the level blueprint. No. I have the score on the level blueprint. I figured that was the best place to have it. Where is my score saved? In the level blueprint. Yeah. Well, it's not saved anywhere because it's not going in, but there it is. Oh my god. There we go. Yes, I knew there was something. Compile. Interface name, collision and blueprint level, script blueprint, game, bubble main content levels, BM level, default level, sub persistent level, LV, BM interface, blueprint generated class game. Jesus Christ. Score, name, collision, function, and property have the same name. Score. Oh. It was BI score. Fuck you. Nothing has the same name here. I want you to get out. I want you to get out. In the level blueprint. Yes. We're here. Read above. I'm so... Interface function is called score and the variable is called score. The interface function is called score and the variable is... Rename the variable. But the interface function isn't called score, it's called BI score. God damn it. Fine. What was called score though? Because literally nothing called score here, mate. Look on the list on the left. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh, there is. Why? Oh. Wait, what? Wait. Why can I cast a BI score? This isn't how interfaces... Oh. Oh yeah, I called this... Ah, I see. I see what happened. Is that illegal? This isn't how interfaces worked when other people did them. You know that, right? It was really simple when other people did them. They just plugged things in and then they worked. I have not seen the engine in over a month, so I'm slightly rusty. Now you can get the level blueprint. What is it? LV BM default. No. Get loaded level. Get current level name. Context sensitive. I'm gonna have to cast, aren't I? I have to cast to it, don't I? Do I have to cast to it? You do not need to cast. Yes! Player state would be, but the level blueprint is probably not the best location for it. Player state would be slam. So yeah, that worked. So the problem with using the player state is I delete the player actor when he dies. So all of the HP, all of the lives, all of the score, game instance, no, because then it would carry between levels. It's fine to have it on just the level. It's fine. Lives and score are level specific. Unless there's like a specific big reason why I shouldn't have it on a level blueprint. They'll make a separate actor for it. But like, what happens about actors that don't have a physical kind of representation? Do they have to follow the character within a radius? Clear it on level load? Now that's boring. Why would anyone do that? That's extra work. It clears itself on level unload anyway, so you know what I mean? The point is, I had a system where every hit would do a cast, and then every cast had like 4 more casts to get the data where it was meant to be, and it was pissing me off. So this shouldn't work right now because there's nothing in the level blueprint. Pretty sure this will not work. Yeah. So how do I get the event for when it does that? There's no red pin. You do not get an event. I thought that's the whole reason that we use blueprint interfaces. I thought that's why we were doing this. If an interface has a return value, it is not an event. Because events cannot return a value, so it's a function. It's not a it's not a, no. Where is it? BI score. Score is already implemented as a function graph, but expected as an event. Remove the function graph and then re-implement as an event. does no need to be implemented here in this character. Why not? So if I don't implement it here, if I don't send, if I don't have the death send, if I don't have the send signal, if I don't have the point signal here, it can't send the variable for the number of points that it's worth to the scoring system, right? And if I have it fire, you can still send it from here even if the character is not implemented. With a cast, right? We're trying to avoid casts. Not with a cast? Why aren't you making video games? Why am I the one making video games? You come over here and you make video games. What is wrong? Interface score is already implemented as a function graph, but is expected as an event. Remove the function graph and re-implement. You are making a video game. See what we got here. Event score. Yeah, we can use that. Yeah, event score. Yeah, we don't need that here though. We need that in here. Event. Oh yeah, we gotta. Why you gotta be this way? Why are you gonna be this way? Why can't you just update, man? So you get the event score by putting the interface into the class settings. So I'm telling you, you don't need it in the class settings or in the character. On the character, you just need a reference to the level blueprint, and it's kind of up to you how you get it. What? No, I'm confused. I'm confused. This doesn't do anything. Right? We need to call this event in the ghost. Yes. And to call it, you do not need to have the interface in the class settings. Really? So if I just delete that, whoop. Yeah, there's ignore that. BI score call, interface score in, points, get points, points, compile error. Target. Blueprint self is not a BI score underscore C. Therefore, target must have a connection. I need a target, and the target is the level blueprint reference. Get level. Level object reference is not compatible with BI score interface. No, I think I did it. I think I did it. I think I did it. And you're going to say, actually. Yeah, the highest, well, it's not easy getting the level blueprint. No, I think I done it. We got an error, but I think I done it. The blueprint itself is not a level streaming. Oh god. Get game instance. Get streaming level. There's a package name. Well, how else do I make a blueprint that doesn't have to float around on the level? If I make an active blueprint, it's got to be there, right? There are other kind of blueprints that I can use. Let's just check it out. Blueprint class. What about a scene component attached to the main character? If it's a component, it gets destroyed. Okay, no then. Store the score in the controller. The what now? I have a controller. It's direct pawn input. Direct. The player yeah, this is the player controller. We don't have a player controller. I wasn't organized. I didn't think ahead. I don't think oh, hello. I don't think Barrel Boys had a player controller either. Did it? That might actually be easier to set up a player controller. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's do that then. I gotta move all this to a player controller, haven't I? Oh hey, you were. I don't know if you were here when I did this, but you gotta go to sleep. No, before you go. Hold on, dude. We got game user settings, get player controller, screen resolution, screen position, some whack cursor algebra, make vector, get world location, mesh, bloop, thing that you control around the world that's invisible, set world location of the cursor, mouse input from screen position. It took me 3 hours. I died. Have a nice sleep. But yeah, I'll go make a player controller. What does it do? It's this. It derives actor rotation from mouse screen position. Yeah. There's not like a single tutorial on anywhere that shows you how to do this, so I had to I had to break some kneecaps. My own kneecaps. Also, you can see I have 2 HUDs, but don't look at that. Play controller. You already do have a player controller. Nope. I don't know where it would be. I've got an AI for my ghosts. These are what I'm shooting at. This isn't... Yeah. This isn't what I was controlling. Open world settings. World settings. Top panel settings. Oh, world settings. Here we go. Selected game mode. Game mode. Selected game mode. Nope. Oh, do I have a game mode? Yeah, I have a game. Yeah, I have a game mode. What? I can't change any of those, so... Bubbleman content. Game mode base. Wait, is this not game mode base? BM game mode not base. Oh, because it was multiplayer base. Yeah. They're on the right. Player controller class, player controller. You are using the dummy player controller. Yes. Yes. You create your own. Yes. I called it BP Bubble Map Controller. Well done. I'm guessing now I don't have any control of my player, right? Oh, hey, hang on. Now what's going on there, buddy? It's very interesting. Yes. Oh. Oh yeah, of course. That makes sense. So I can just leave it like that and just put things into the player controller. Yeah. Let me just rename it because that's gonna annoy me. Now in the character you can get controller. In the character, yeah. So, and this is a big preliminary if I did a in your controller add the interface. Event graph. Oh yeah, we were moving the score here, weren't we? No, that's... Oh my god. The hell was that? Compile first. Okay. That's I pressed F1 and it opened up the documentation. I'm gonna have to go and delete all those. No. This doesn't work anyway. That code is literal garbage. We'll leave the sequence in there though. And we'll close that. Seeing how we won't be using it apparently. Character. Character. You sure? And call the event. Set the score. Where you want it to. I think you've had a small misunderstanding about what blueprint I was working in previously. The score value is stored in the ghost. We're in the character. So I don't wanna cast to the ghost that I hit, because that's done in the ghost as well. And the only other place I could put that is in the projectile. Yeah. You can set it from the ghost. You can set it from the ghost. You can set it from the ghost for the player. Yes. I'm gonna go to the ghost. I'm gonna apparently that works. Yeah, get player controller. Yeah, it's single player. Get player controller. Get player controller. Just get player controller. And then it should work. I should actually no, it shouldn't work. Hold on. Thank you for your help. That's great. I think I understand it a little bit now. That we've got to rebind this. BMA reference dot bman score. Remove binding. Create binding. Event graph. VP Bubbleman controller object reference. Change the variable type. Q. Player controller object reference is not compatible with VP Bubbleman controller object. In theory, you can get the player controller here and cast it. Oh yeah. I'm so sorry. I don't mind doing the cast. It only happens once. Yeah, this is fine. It's just so we have a reference to the thing, so we can get the binding to the variable. Get text. Get text. Return value. What is this shit? Okay. Now, there we go. Beautiful. Thank you. Well, you'll be fine. Use an interface to get the value. Of course, coins and babies don't add to our score yet. So that's fine. I'm told that interfaces can be expensive. You're being told that interfaces can be expensive. I'm being told that casting can be expensive. At this point, the only person who I know who's actually tested this game said the game actually barely even runs on his PC anyway, so go figure. For different reasons. God damn it. I don't want different reasons. I want exact reasons. BMA reference, be it. Remove, bind, BMA reference, actual lives actual, compile, save. Casting is expensive for memory. Interfaces are expensive for processing power? Is that it? Interfaces are expensive for CPU cycles. Oh shit. Alright, we're gonna have to change that all back to casting. Sorry guys. CPU cycles are the most precious of things. You know, everyone and their mum's got 32 gigs of RAM or more on their PC these days. And we just have to do that for the coins and the babies. I'm sure it'll make you very happy to know that I have actually literally forgotten what we just did. Get player controller, score, points, level ghost spawner. Cool. That's real nice. I just like how nice it is. Casting, to me, it just looks ugly. Because you've got cast and you've got this massive rat's tail of rubbish coming out to, well, that's the object that I want to get to. Why can't it just know, man? Why can't it just know? Do interfaces is probably one of the last things you would optimize. Well, I'm gonna have to do interfaces now. I've set it up. BM baby. Cylinder Kappa. Why are they called Cylinder Kappa? Why did I call them that? Baby collector, that's got the code in it. Here we go. Counter maintenance. BMB cast. What's this do? Inputs. Sense stack cast to BM baby. As BM baby. Target points outputs. So this just gets the number of points the baby has. It has a cast in it already. What the fuck am I doing? See, this is how ridiculous my code is. Ideally, we'd move this to the baby. We'd want to move all this to the baby. Decrement baby. That's a macro, isn't it? Look at that. Look up inheritance. I know about inheritance. I only have one of each thing. I only have one of each class. Oh, you're saying that maybe the baby should have inherited from the ghost, and that maybe they should use similar looking AIs. Tricky. One of the biggest questions for me, event graph, please. Call score baby. Decrement baby. Baby. So no. You would have a master enemy that would hold the points and have the common event to pass the points. I do. But I'm not having fun. I'm literally losing years of my life. Trying to figure out Unreal. Call score. No, I did it wrong again. Score message. Get controller. Get player controller. Okay. Points. Score in decrement babies is a different function. So I have a master, well, I have technically a master enemy. I have the ghost, and the baby is, I don't know, I felt like they were a significant enough different class from the ghost to be a different thing. Maybe actually in the long run they're actually more similar than I thought. Whatever. So this should now give me score when I collect a baby. Fantastic. And now we go to the coin, and you'll see beautifully, while I may have copper, gold and silver coins, witness that I have BPBM coin, and these are all children classes from this. I know about inheritance. Come around, ma. But yeah, this is so much nicer than this is so much nicer than casting and trying to find the casting object. Thank you for your help, dude. It's been great. Now we should be able to collect babies, collect coins maybe if they don't despawn before I hit them. We don't die and we don't respawn though. Oh god. I'm not here anymore. Remember, sleeping. Don't worry. We've got past the struggle that we were doing tonight. Thank you for your help and enjoy your sleep. Turn your speakers off or something. You can always catch the VOD and see how stupid I was after you left. Oh, a cheated game streaming. Dude, hold up. I'm already following you. Hey, would you look at that? You used to stream before you moved. Oh, it'd be good to get back into that, I'm sure. I mean, I'm not new to streaming. I used to stream. I started streaming in 2013. Just put my desk back together today after 2 months. Oh my god, I can't imagine. I cannot imagine not having a desk for 2 months, despite having not had a desk for a whole year. My year abroad. I had a desk. I didn't have a chair. The desk was like a sitting desk. It was like a TV shelf. It wasn't a desk. You're in and out at work. I understand the struggle of working late. Hey, don't worry about it. We're attaining numbers. We're also fixing the video game. So now we have to do lives, which are in the character and the controller. You could stream. It's a JPEG image. It will not show me a preview. This is your basement. Discordapp.com. Whatever. That's beautiful. I love it. I think I have some shelves exactly like that, but mine have got little dragons on the front. Forklift time. Enjoy. Don't break anything. Unless it's a forklift time. You know, you can bring one of those to me, don't worry about it. Controller. Event. Live. Event death from, yeah, BI Lives. And for the curious, almost finished my setup. Bruh! Bruh! Dude, that monitor is ultra wide. I couldn't afford an ultra wide monitor. I'm so sorry. I've failed you all as a gamer and as a man. 49 inches, damn son. My main monitor is 31 or 32. 31. It's like 31.8. It's the same size actually as my old main monitor because I didn't want to change. Nice, but I got it on offer, so it was like super cheap. Just means I stopped using the CRT, which is probably a good thing. It was an RMA for 2 months. Oh god, yeah, I hate that. If you want to hear about RMA, boy, I had a whole PC that was in RMA for 2 years. You got 2. Oh no way. Actual lives, actual get the They lost the handover papers and want me to pick up another one. Hey man, I won't complain about that. Branch. Lives actual get greater than 1. Oh. I feel like I've messed something up here. Put not 1, put 0 there. Ah, I see what you mean. Now the player has extra credit though, because the game was built around 3 lives. So, what does the HUD say? Lives. Okay. So it's this life and 3 now. So previously it was 1. It was, you know, you had 3 lives, you had 2 lives, you had 1 lives, and then a game over. But now you have a 0 life, which is going to be tricky. So I did that because it's easier to it's easier to do a HUD that way because you don't have the possibility of having a pause screen with -1 lives on it. Like even for a frame, that is unacceptable. I didn't actually test if that worked. I didn't die. Okay, do it your way. No. No. Did not decrement my life. I didn't call it. I'm not calling the function. I'm using the big brain. Kill. Here we go. Immune, not immune, branch, and has tag damage source. Call death, not call death. Lives message. Death message. Okay. Whatever it's called. It's player controller. Now it will work. Play. So if you wanna figure something real weird out, I have a function that makes me immortal, right? It's like spawn invulnerability, because there was a problem with clustering around the spawn point, and I figured it's better to give a player a chance to score some big points after they died rather than fuck them up with a whole horde of enemies that just, you know, instantly kills them or pushes the character model out of the level to the point which they won't respawn. But it has a glitch, and I do not know what causes it, where it does not deactivate because there's a pickup version. Yeah, and the pickup version usually is meant to last 10 seconds, which is, for testing purposes, is ridiculously long for actual game. Is this week 30? Do I have to release a game dev build of this week? I don't think so. I don't think so, public. I think it's week 29 again. I just realized. What's this? So where's the respawning done? Spawn and vulnerability, camera, kill, move and shoot, cursor location. I'll look at mouse cursor. Here we go. Body, will, location. There are 2 parts to this function. I forgot about it completely. Find, look at, rotation. This. It took me years to find this. That's what you need. I want to be like it's in the HUD. Event, receive, draw HUD. Rank. Draw play. Draw game over. I'm just saying. It's in the game. It's in the game mode, not base, apparently. Event graph. Here we go. Respawn, event begin play, cast to, bind to, event on destroyed, get player controller, enable input, get player character. Event respawn. As BP Bubbleman actual. BP Bubbleman actual object reference. Target BM lives. Respawn. The cast will always fail. Wait, what? That cast will fail. This cast won't fail. This will fail. Getting the well, it won't fail. It will just be 0, which is why we're not respawning. Controller as why does that have a type if you say so? Well, the cast won't fail because the game was previously built around this and the respawn mechanic worked fine. Get actual lives actual. That is greater than 0. It's just because we moved the variable for the number of lives the dude has, that it was not insert coin. Yeah, we got it. I'm not even gonna try that. I'm gonna waste my time trying to do the replace. Oh sugar! I can copy something over. And this. What you did does now work. Yes. Well, it did used to work. But I was getting a different value from a different thing, as I'm sure you're aware. And like, if you don't believe me, you go watch the VODs. And there's happy. In fact, if you don't believe me, download the dev build and play the week 20 dev build, which has the old code in it, which does not use events or anything. It uses pure casts, ridiculous rubbish going on. Anyway, that's besides the point. Restart game, I think you need to reset the values or load the level again. Restart game is a multiplayer, is a BP game mode multiplayer specific function which does all that for you. It clears scores, it resets all variables to their initial. So we can prove that by dying a whole bunch. I need a death camera. That is the other thing that I need to set up. Death camera. I've only been doing this for an hour, but it is late. It is almost 1 AM. It's not going to be that late, is it? But anyway, so we're going to respawn again, right? We're not going to respawn again. But if we press R, almost 2 AM here. Damn. I can only think that could be France. That's like the only place it could be. 6 AM was when my shift starts. Oh no. France or Italy? I think Italy's 1 hour ahead. I could just do the old James Bond route and just look on my widget. And I could be like, nope, I can't just look on my widget. Alright, it's fine. No, it's fine. Client only, allow hook to allow blueprints to do custom HUD drawing. C. B. Suppress native HUD to control HUD lives greater than 0. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change that. Sorry. This should theoretically work, quote unquote, correctly. Yeah, I want to change the cursor as well. It's super bombastic and it's dynamic lighting, so. Hello. Oh, that's interesting. You go to bed, man. I told you. I'm good. You told me how to do the interfaces. That's good. That's good for me. Oh, there is no. No, I've done the wrong thing in the wrong place. Yeah. This is the. Told you. God damn it. Draw HUD. I'm not even going to. I'm not even going to give it the satisfaction. I don't even know where that was even. This event is only for cosmetic non-gameplay actions. Yes. Face construction, viewport, event graph. Draw play, draw lives, draw score. Okay. Draw game over. Christ. This is why we moved to Slate, isn't it? Can we just do this in Slate? Can we just do this in UMG? Whatever it's called these days. Center screen. Make a literal string. Yeah, we'll can I actually just delete the HUD entirely? Manage the game mode. Wait, no. No, 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 no. Ah, poopy. Well, I gotta check what week we're on here. I don't want to leave it on a 30 week. I don't want to have to make a build of this and it'd be rubbish. Oh, pot 24? Ah, screw it. We're on week 20. We're on week 25. And no problem. We got 5 weeks to fix this. Ah, I'm tired. Yeah. HUD. Create HUD widget. Can we not call that Slate HUD device? Can we call that Slate gameplay HUD? Okay, we gotta remove all widgets. That might work. Hey, what's going on? What is going on? could have realistically just been one interface, couldn't it? Oh man, I do not miss using Unreal. Me either. Remove all widgets. Oh, I need that. Bloop. Okay, draw HUD. Coding a sprint was bad enough. Sprinting wasn't that bad. I mean, not fun, but now we need to make another widget. Can I just copy these? No. Will not allow. Do you know what? F2. Copy. Delete. Right. Duplicate. Haha. So we got Scortainer. Oh, and you know what? This will just work anyway, won't it? Because we got the we got all the construction doofus. We got that. Put my actual good English. Amazing English. How do we Can I just like Scooby Doo it? What am I doing? Oh, I can just drag it. Haha. Delete. So this is gonna be, that's fill, okay. That's fill, okay. That's fill, okay. That's fill. Is that fill? That's padding. What? If I drag this boil out, okay. Hey Zach, what's going on? Oh god. You ever think it was a good idea to make video games? Whoever thought video games were good ideas, they were wrong. I don't know, I've got some weird top padding going on here. But it's freaking me out. I think it's in the text box. Ah, fill. Huh? I pay so other people can do it for me. Smart man. Text score. Okay. Which one of these boys has the skew? Yeah, there it is. And cores in the middle. Oh, we can animate this stuff? The font. Yes. It is very face punch font. I don't know what it's called. Cargo Bay, maybe? It was free. Let's just do it by eye. In fact, if we actually, I want to put that skew back in. Was it -10? Yeah, then we can line it up with this. Then we can get it. Ooh, I don't know. Probably doesn't even work. But that's good. That's good. I'm good with that. Level. Oh. I can't type. You know, it's time to stop. Create widget. Ah, here we go. And then set. Promote to variable. Just happy it's not a dating sim. Yeah. I have no reasonable expectation that this will work, but it's worth a goal. Is it just me, or am I not picking up those coins? Those coins not doing me points. But dude, those coins aren't doing me points. My HUD isn't drawing. Oh Jesus Christ. Actual gameplay. Well, funny you should say that. Yeah, we don't need that. This input action restart pressed. Actually, speaking of hum. Okay, so the HUD does show up when you die. That's just what I was worried about. Something not right. Something not right. Event final rest from BI Lives. Bubble Man. I'm not calling it, that's why. Brain, engage. Please. Final rest. Message. God damn, what is this? Target object reference. Error. Target is BI Lives. And BI Lives is in. Fuck. it's in the level blueprint. Hang on a second. Bubbling controller. Can we draw HUD from the controller? Can we hold on? Let me begin play. Create widget. Right there. Boom. Add widget. Widger. Add widget. Is it add widget? Add to viewport. Where the hell? Add to viewport. Right there. In fact, we even did that. Can we just we'll copy it, I'm not a madman. That's the content browser. We got some errors here. Oh, it's just it's fine. It's fine. It's nothing even serious. It's just oops. That's just because promote to variable. It's because they weren't variables. This is do this properly. HUD game, and this is over. What the hell's going on here? HUD game. Compile save. Yeah. The hell's going on here? My blueprint. Oh shit. No. 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 If I just close it and then reopen it again. My blueprint, there it is. Oh my god. HUD game, get. HUD game over, get. Wow. What's this? Final rest. Target. Self. It's gonna be awkward. I'm gonna end up with 2 flipping HUDs, aren't I? Wait, 150. 250. Okay, no, coins are being picked up. I think. Maybe. Yeah. Did I just die? What? Oh. Where's the level blueprint? Let's just fucking nuclear. We'll go in nuclear. Okay, the HUD still draws. That's great. The HUD still draws, it's great. The HUD still draws, that's great, but it doesn't draw the thing. Why did I split all this stuff to the far flung? We don't need that. That's fine. Do you know what we do need? This, because I never set the blur strength. One. How blurry is one? Oh, that's nice. That's beautiful. Gonna have to do that for the other one now. Gonna have to do it to it's a real wild font facer. Oh, I've slowed my PC down to a halt. Undo. That's good, that's good, that's good. BP, EPI lives. Don't care. LMBP default. Don't care. BPBM game mode. Not game mode. Yeah. I do care. Event respawn. Player controller. SVP Bubbleman controller branch. Good play controller. Okay, hold on. Respawn event begin play. Hey, welcome back. How was the forklift? Did you get forklifted? Are you fork jacked? It's almost 2 AM. My brain's a soup. Forked up. Yeah. Bind event to one destroyed. Event respawn. Enable input. Event respawn. Just letting Milkman out of the yard, but he's taking his sweet time loading up. How dare he? Respawn player, spawn transport, get player controller, possess, respawn, respawn, VPBM mode, not base, target self, player control, enable input. Nothing wrong with that. I think this is the problem here. Cast a BP Bubbleman controller. Nothing's happened. It's just, I don't know why my HUD isn't drawing. I mean, my HUD's drawing. My HUD isn't drawing. If you know what I mean. Don't even. Yeah. God damn it. Input action restart. Cast a BP Bubbleman controller. Rank. Target lives actual 0. Restart game. That's fine. Event respawn. Lives greater than 0. Delay 1. Respawn player. That's okay. Do you know what's not okay? Event final rest. Remove all widgets. Add to viewport. HUD. Game over. The higher the number, the more on top this widget will be. Fucking. Theoretically, it should work. Pathfinder. Have you seen the game Risk of Rain? Event score, actual scoring, plus, set, score, actual. Can I just really fucking quickly, I just want to check the coins that they data only privilege, only the default values are shown. Volu 25. Score coin. Right. Wow, I can seen it but I haven't played it. I've seen it, I haven't played it. Looks wild though. Like Pathfinder is like D&D style RPG. Oh, cool. Save? Don't tell me it was just not saved. Just out of wild curiosity, if I do that and then I play, it adds it over the top, so it's there. And it's got that beautiful, very convincing bokeh. A little bit messed up though, huh? Oh, boopy. They don't really line up the way I laid them out to line up. Some errors, ignore those. So that's fine, that works. Event final rest. Remove all widget. Pathfinders and Tabletop D&D 3.5 fan spin-off. Dude, AD&D 3.5 is like legit a legendary game. Maybe I just do a cheeky Google. Find out actually how to do this. How to remove HUD widget. How to remove a widget. Get all widgets of class. Remove from parent. Have a humble bundle of tabletop books, campaigns, comic novels, etc. Huh. Haha. Set visibility. Okay. So no. No. Ah. I hate you. Why didn't it copy the whole thing? So I get the feeling that this is the thing that's not firing off anyway, so this is obviously gonna. But if we add them both to the thing, maybe it'll work. Who knows? Yeah, no, you can pick up coins, coins give you score. That's messed up, man. No. No. It's this. This is the problem. Now it's gonna work. No promises, no guarantees. Also RTX enabled. Look at that real-time lighting, baby. 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 It's not ray traced. Or maybe it is. Probably path match. That's cheap ray tracing, right? Yeah. Live 0. Here it comes. Oh, okay. So we've got a second problem here. It respawned me automatically somehow. Case of a 0 value, hell yeah. Case of me being a big idiota. That's a problem. No. I mean yes, but also no. Be a lot easier to think about if it wasn't split across like 3 blueprints. Oh, thanks for the follow, Hibiki Hales. Wait, am I following you? I can do this from OBS. I am following you. Am I? Maybe I can't do it from OBS. Dun, 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 dun. I am following, yes. Huh. Interesting. Yeah. Don't worry about it. Don't even. So we have a problem here. So event death, if actualize actual is greater than 0, it's going to decrement our lives. Good. That's fine. If it is equal to or less than 0, it is going to activate final rest. Right, so final rest was never activating because we never died. We never died with 0 lives, because 0 lives was the death life. It was the life that we died upon. So if we just make that 1, and we just make that greater than 0, this should work, right? But we still respawn. I don't know why we respawn. I'm not meant to respawn. Why is the squawk going on? Do you know, if we go to this and I think this will work because it's referencing the same dealie. Oh, piss off. If we decrement it there, then it's definitely going to be smaller. So it's probably not going to spawn us again. This is probably just easier to do with a boolean, isn't it? Yeah. 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 Well, that just works perfectly. That's stupid. It's not meant to work perfectly, it's meant to be broken. God damn it. It's not meant to work like that. But it does. Fantastic. So that's good enough for me. That is definitely good enough for me. I guess next time we might think about making a death camera or something. Just a little camera actor to look at an angle at the stage, maybe for a bit of spice, or just to maybe, you know, zero out the camera back to the default view. Or we could move the camera entirely to, yes, progress. We can move the camera entirely to the player controller, maybe, so that the camera itself and its controls are disassociated from the boil. Maybe that won't work. I don't think that will work. That probably won't work. We'll just have to add a camera transfer thing. A thing we can't. We'll do it later. I'm not doing it now. I'm going to sleep now because it's 2 in the morning. But we did it. We made some progress. It feels good. Feels very good. In fact, while I'm here, why didn't I put it in there? While we're here, I want to show off before I leave. Good night. Proc 3D text edit. No Steam VR. Bad. So I made these procedural texture. I made this procedural material, sorry. Oh, for God's sake. Whatever. Launch. Ooh. Because I love making materials. These are rough. They took a long time to make. Mostly because they're procedural. And mostly because Unreal Engine doesn't like doing any kind of computation. So it took, 4 minutes. Have a good night, Zach. Sorry I haven't been on D2 lately, but I figured, I don't know. I just don't know. You have a good night. But basically this is a 3D vector noise field, which makes which makes a it needs a bit of tweaking, but it's a 3D vector field which makes a 3D noise texture, which is usually a very stupid thing to have in a video game, but I like stupid things in my video games, and the automatic intensity stuff is going crazy, so you probably won't be able to see it, but there's like this little shiny, shimmery white stuff, and then these little dark streaky things. It's meant to look like quilted maple. I know I've got a lot of quilted maple right next to me, so it's getting close to being fairly accurate, but it's all done with thanks, Zach. Thanks for turning up as well. It means a lot to me, man. I'm being genuine. I just, the voice comes out. I'm sorry. But anyway, it's meant to look like figured maple wood. It might be a little bit large, but it's all procedural, so the you can intersect through this texture at any angle, as shown by this horrible console box, and it's the texture is throughout, and it is naturally seamless because of the way it's made from a giant. It's basically made out of clouds. Think of it like that. And they're very hard to wrangle. I'll be honest with you. But I think I got the basic ideas of manipulating the X, Y, Z, the UV, UVZ, UVA, UVB, which is the one that doesn't give you cancer. Anyway, the point is 3D noise maps, making 3D textures that can be applied to geometry, can't be applied to brushes. Seamless, yeah, seamless. I'd live for seamless. Because I saw this guy making 3D textures and volumetric textures in Blender, and I thought I can do that. And it's alright. It's nothing special. This is something special. This is PM beta, which isn't going to render, obviously. But this is procedurally generated concentric circles. There we go. It took literally 20 minutes for this to pop out, and I'm not sure it was worth it. I mean, they're beautiful circles, but are they on the bottom as well? They are. I wanted to add tree rings. Yeah, you dig? I wanted to add tree rings to the wood texture. Got a bit overzealous. There's got to be a better way to do it than this, because this is recursion, and this is 173 instructions. Not that bad. But anyway, yeah, I am going to go now. So, thank you everyone for tuning in to the live video. If you tune into the live video, thank you everyone for coming to watch the video on demand. If you came to watch the video on demand, thank you. I'm glad you dig it. Unreal Engine did not dig it. Unreal Engine dug about 30 minutes of my time away trying to dig it. But good night. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.